What polynomial represents the perimeter of this square? The area of the square. Well, for a square, we know that all of the sides have equal measure. So in order to determine the perimeter, we could take 4 times the length of one side. So that is 4 times the binomial 3x plus 9. And multiplying, we get a 12x plus 36 for the simplified form of the perimeter. Now to determine the area for this square. The area is the surface area, as if this were a lawn and we were going to mow it. The area can be given by a length times a width, but since for squares, the length and the width are the same, called the side, we can determine then that the area is just the side times side, or side squared. So then the area is 3x plus 9, quantity squared, and let's go ahead and square this binomial. To square a binomial, we take the first term, which is 3x, and square it, plus 2 times the product of the first term and the last term, plus the last term squared. That's a 9x squared plus 2 times 3x is 6x times 9 is a 54x plus 81. So the simplified form for the perimeter is 12x plus 36. The simplified form for the area is 9x squared plus 54x plus 81.